I'm your favourite.
Well, you're all my favourite in your own special way. Today we're going to make the ultimate vegan chocolate fudge cake because I have got a very special guest.
Yeah, hello, I'm Ruby. Since being vegan, I've really missed chocolate fudge cake.
Yeah, for those vegans out there that miss
We did try
it.
and find one, but none of them were quite like moist enough.
So this is. So we're going to do it. Mix some vegetable oil into some sugar and also use some vanilla extract. So Ruby, could you pour the vanilla extract in there? Just a nice splash of it. Yeah. So pop that to one side for a sec, Rubes. Then we've got some other elements. In here we've got some coconut milk. We've actually tested it a few times and the coconut milk was best.
The coconut milk was good because it gave it that kind of rich, creamy taste.
Yeah, so into the coconut milk we're going to add some coconut yoghurt. And then we're going to add 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar. So brilliant, Ruby, so you can pop that to one side. So they're done. And then lastly, the dry ingredients. So we've got just some self-raising flour and some cocoa powder. So we're going to put that there. And then can you add these in, Ruby? We've got some salt and some baking powder. You want to do it? Okay, so let's bring the other 2 ingredients back. Yeah, let's bring them back. So now what we're going to do is bish it all together. First of all, put the liquid ingredients together. So just gently kind of mix that together. Try not to splash it all over the place.
Just give it a stir. It doesn't matter if there's still a few lumps because that will all go when you bake it.
Yeah. Can't have a feel because it feels like it's... Yeah, that's perfect, Rubes.
Cool.
I think I chose a bit of a small bowl, didn't I? So let's just gently fold that together. So it smells nice, doesn't it?
I could just eat the cake mix, to be honest.
Could you? So you can see it's quite liquidy. That's what you're looking for. It is a very wet batter, let me say. There we go. So that's, oh, that would have been fun, wouldn't it? So that's all done. So yeah, it looks a bit lumpy. It won't be when you bake it. The other thing we've discovered is that if you bake it in 3 layers, it's nicer because you don't need to kind of have such a fat layer.
It's not so dense,
yeah.
is it?
So we're going to bake it in 3 7-inch tins. I've only got 2, so we'll put 2 in and then we'll do another round. 500 grams of batter in each tin.
Okay.
Yeah, is that enough?
I've done those.
Should we pop those in the oven? And then what we'll do is we'll do another one and then we'll come back when it's all baked and get on to the next stage.
Now we're going to make the buttercream. And that is the favourite part of the chocolate cake.
We're going to be making it with some dairy-free butter and some golden icing sugar. This is really nice, the golden one, because it's kind of more
gives it that caramel taste.
It does.
All of it?
Yeah, I'm going to put 2 packets because we want to really layer this up. We're just going to put this in 2 and we're just going to beat it all up, really. So, do you want to pour in some vanilla?
A lot.
Yeah, go on, pour a bit more in. Perfect. I'll get the wet cloth. But what we do
that
so we can get to the switch and hold it quite tightly. Once we lose all the powder, then we can take the thing off and turn up the speed. So I'm going to do a little bit of peeking here. Yeah, we can take it off now. So what we're going to do now, Rubes?
Is add the chocolate. This has been melted already. You can do it in the microwave or over hob.
You got it all over your chin.
Chocolatey chin.
It's nice. It's kind of fairly stiff consistency, but we want it to be like a looser texture for when we ice it. So now we're going to add the last ingredient.
Some coconut milk, just to give it that extra kind of
creaminess. So what I'm going to do is put this back on slow, and we're just going to do it a tablespoon at a time until we're happy with the consistency. Except you're making sure. Okay, let's move that to one side. So now it's time to assemble our masterpiece. I've got my turntable here, look at that. Oh dear, I'm not doing a very good job with this, centralising that. So try and get it central on the plate, which I've done there. So for the first layer, I'm just going to dollop on, palette it round towards the edge. I'll put it on there. Hold the palette knife like that and just kind of go backwards and forwards so it pushes it out towards the side. Want to have a go?
Like so.
So for this last one, I want the top to be nice and flat. So I'm going to turn my sponge over because that bit was in the bottom of the tin, so it will be slightly more level. Smoothly sort of press it onto the edge like that. Actually, I've changed my mind. Do a thin one first, and then we'll go round again. I think that will look better. Can you splat a bit on the top for me, Rubes? That's it. So we'll just do a nice kind of thin layer. Okay, and now I'm gonna add a little bit of extra luscious buttercream. So not on the top, I think we're just gonna go on the side again. So I'm just kind of like adding it like that. See how it's kind of like nice and whippy? Right, okay, I think we've got enough lashings on there, do you?
Yeah, that's
a little bit down the bottom, one more bit there. We've got some nice kind of flowers and fruits put on. We were messing about the other day with this. And
this is actually vegan, this product.
Yeah, this one's vegan, so what you can do if you want it to be a bit special is just make your cherries all gold. Oh, all golden. Don't eat them all, Rubes. Just do like that, look. So we just get them decorating, just pop them all over. Yeah. Got a few little flowers. 1 second. Oh, here.
So we've got some more edible flowers here, and we're gonna just...
I might even put a few around the base.
Just one more there. That's great.
Good. Right, I think it's the moment of truth, do you?
Mm-hmm.
How's that looking, Rubes?
Lovely.
Wow.
Fudge cake.
Let's go for it. You've tricked me. Mm-hmm. How is it?
So nice.
It's delicious. It's so fudgy.
Just satisfies my vegan craving for fudge cake.
It's amazing, I think. Definitely make this. Everything that you need to make this is just down there. I hope you enjoyed the video and come back soon for more. See you soon. Bye. Well done, Rubes.